Hi there, I'm Megan, I'm part of the comms team at Transport for Wales. You might have seen my video where I was making a mask. It was because I was making this train journey. We do please ask that you only make journeys on the railway if it is an essential journey. I thought I would just give you a quick look at some of the measures that we're doing to keep you safe on the railway. As you can probably see, I'm wearing a mask. We do recommend that you do wear a mask when you're on the service. It's part of Welsh Government's guidelines and it is essential in England. Also just wanted to show you that some of the seats, as you can see from here, we are keeping them so that you can only sit on seats more than 2 meters away from somebody else. If I give you a quick look of the view from where I'm sitting, you'll be able to see that I'm not within 2 meters of anybody else. Also just wanted to show you some of the beginning of my journey here. There are social distancing measures in place within the station. There are markers on the floor to keep people more than 2 meters apart from each other. We've got a one-way system in place in many stations. And there's some clear guidance about where you should be getting onto trains to make sure our conductors stay safe as well as our passengers.